Feeling like you're doing everything right, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge? You're not alone. What if I told you that some of the very foods marketed as healthy could be secretly sabotaging your efforts? Let's uncover some surprising culprits that might be preventing you from reaching your goals. Let's dive into the first seemingly healthy food that can actually hinder your progress: low-fat yogurt. You might think you're making a smart choice, but often these yogurts are packed with hidden sugars. Look closely at the label. While the sugar content might seem reasonable, many contain added starches like modified food starch, modified cornstarch, or maltodextrin. These industrial starches break down into glucose in your body even faster than regular table sugar. And because they aren't very sweet, you might be consuming far more of them without realizing it. This can lead to a constant spike in blood sugar, potentially straining your pancreas and increasing the risk of insulin issues. What's their purpose in the yogurt? Mostly just to add bulk. They are often heavily processed and offer little nutritional value. You might even see made with bioengineered food ingredients on the label, another term for GMOs. If you're finding this information helpful and eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more content that empowers you to make healthier choices. Plus, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Stay informed, stay healthy. Next up, processed meats. There's a huge difference between your typical processed options and something like grass-fed beef. Take a look at the ingredients in a standard chicken hot dog with pork. You might see mechanically separated chicken, a highly refined product. But what's even more concerning is often the added corn syrup, which is essentially another form of industrial sugar derived from cornstarch, causing rapid blood sugar spikes. When sugar is added to meat and cooked at high temperatures, it can create unhealthy compounds called advanced glycated proteins. These aren't good for your body. Plus, these processed meats often undergo harsh treatments, including the use of ammonia or chlorine to kill bacteria. You'll often find modified cornstarch in these products too. Now compare that to a hot dog made with organic grass-fed beef, sea salt, organic vinegar, and spices. You'll likely find zero carbohydrates. So if you think you're loading up on protein, always check the ingredients. Our third category might surprise you: certain keto-friendly or low-carb products. You see a label with low sugar and think it's a great choice. But take a closer look at the ingredient list. Often you'll find low-quality protein sources like milk protein concentrate and soy protein isolate, some of the cheapest options available. And again, you might spot bioengineered food ingredients. These products are often highly processed and not very nutrient-dense. To keep the carb count low, many of these products are loaded with industrial or synthetic fibers. While fiber is generally good, these types can often lead to bloating and digestive discomfort. Interestingly, just like artificial sweeteners, these synthetic fibers might even negatively impact your gut health, potentially contributing to insulin resistance and weight gain over time. Now let's talk about something many consider a healthy morning staple: juice. You see 100% vitamin C and think it's good for you, but often that's where the benefits end. Many commercially available juices contain very little actual fruit juice. The main ingredients are often water and high fructose corn syrup, essentially liquid candy. Even juices labeled as concentrated might have been sitting in vats for a long time, losing much of their nutritional value before water is added back. And even pure orange juice can have more sugar than many sodas. This high fructose content is particularly problematic because only your liver can process it. This can lead your liver to produce more fat, contributing to fatty liver issues rather than being used as energy by the rest of your body like glucose. Next on our list is a sweetener often touted as a healthier alternative to sugar: agave nectar. While it might have a lower glycemic index compared to table sugar, That's because a large percentage of it, often 80 to 90%, is fructose. As we just discussed, high fructose intake can be detrimental to your liver. While options like coconut sweetener or raw honey might be slightly better, remember that any significant intake of sugar and starch can still spike your blood sugar and hinder your progress, especially if you're aiming for a specific metabolic state. If you're finding this information helpful and want to learn more secrets to achieving your health goals, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful tips. Finally, let's talk about mayonnaise. Most commercially produced mayonnaise is primarily made with soy oil that has undergone industrial processing with high heat and chemical solvents. These types of fats can be stored in your fat cells and might not be burned as easily as other types of fat. Consuming these highly processed oils could be linked to various long-term health issues. So, there you have it. 6 types of food where the seemingly healthy facade might be hiding ingredients that are actually working against your goals, particularly when it comes to losing belly fat. Understanding what's really in your food by carefully reading labels is a crucial step towards making informed choices. By being aware of these hidden ingredients and opting for whole, unprocessed foods, you can take control of your journey towards a healthier you. What are your thoughts on these surprising foods? Let us know in the comments below. Your experiences and insights are valuable to our community. Thanks for watching.